Welcome back to Corby Q. I'm Corby. Appreciate you stopping by today. Today we are going to make it... What? What do you mean change my shirt? What's wrong with my shirt? You don't want it getting dirty? What shirt do you want me to wear? The black one? Alright. You want me to wear this one? Okay. So we'll wear this one. Better? Okay. So today we are going to do some steaks out on Chari. We're going to smoke them, then we're going to reverse sear them. Let's get this rolling. Today we're going to smoke some steaks out on the grill, then we're going to reverse sear and put a nice char on them. Now this is not a paid video, Smoke Daddy. This is how we're going to smoke the steaks. Smoke Daddy sent me this Pellet Pro smoke ring. It's for cold smoking cheese, fish, meat, etc. Anything that you really want to add some smoke to. I don't have a stick burner. All I have is my charcoal grill and my electric smoker, my fridge smoker. So they sent me this Pellet Pro smoke ring to give my review on it. It's 100% not paid. They didn't pay me. They just sent me this to do a review on it. So let's open this up real quick. And on the inside, it comes with a little advertisement, address, and all that stuff to contact them. And it comes with the instructions right inside. You can do an 8-hour burn, a 6-hour burn, a 4-hour burn, or a 2-hour burn of smoke. And it comes with this nice stainless steel, I don't know if you can see this, but this nice stainless steel smoke ring. Comes with some pellets, and the pellets are some wood pellets mixed with some charcoal pellets, just to add a longer burn and to produce the nitrates that you need for a nice smoke ring. So we are going to get this set up. We're going to get this smoking out on the smoker, or out on the grill, I'm sorry. We're going to turn it over. We're going to use the inside for a short burn. I'm probably going to do about 45 minutes of smoke. Let's take a look at the steaks, and we will season them up. Here are the steaks. We got 4 of them. We got 3 T-bones and 1 Porterhouse. They were on sale at my local grocery store. Super great deal. They were $4.99 a pound. Each steak, 1 pound, little over. The Porterhouse is about 1 1/4 pounds, and the other T-bones are for the kids. Those are a pound a piece. We are going to season these up with some pink Himalayan salt. Seasoning for steaks, pork chops, chickens. That's what it says anyway. It contains, it's got some Himalayan salt, some garlic powder, paprika, rosemary, and some other spice blends. We're going to get this in this bowl here, and we're going to get these steaks seasoned up. Maybe. So that's what the seasoning looks like. Go ahead and get these seasoned up before we get them onto the smoke. Go ahead, flip them over, get the other side. I'm not gonna over season them. I'm just gonna get enough to where it's on there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go get the ring smoker fired up on the grill before we get these on here. We're going to put these on there for about 45 minutes, soak up some smoke. I'll see you out at Chari to get the smoker going. We are out at Chari, going to get this little smoke ring lit. Now what it says is, fill desired cavity with wood pellets and light from one end with a propane torch or heat gun for 45 seconds to a minute. Blow on embers or continue to use heat gun to ensure the pellets have been properly lit. Place in charcoal grill to produce smoke. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this propane, and I'm going to light this end. I'm only going to do half of the small end, the small side, so it only burns, you know, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. That's how much smoke I want to put on the steaks before I cook them and then sear them. So let me bring you in here while we light this, and we'll take a look at it. Gonna let that burn for a minute, and then I will blow the flames out, and hopefully it'll start producing some smoke. All right, I'm gonna blow the flames out, close this up, and I'm gonna go grab the steaks. The Pellet Pro smoke ring has been going for a couple minutes. Got some nice smoke in there. Those embers are still, those pellets and those charcoal pellets are still burning quite nicely. I'm gonna get these steaks on. Now I'm going to let these go for about 45 minutes in the smoke, and then we will come back and we will get them cooking. It's been 45 minutes. Still got a lot of pellets left, so far this Pellet Pro smoke ring is doing its job. I'm going to get these steaks off. I'm going to get the charcoals lit, and we're going to get this fired up, and we're going to put a nice cook on these. Let's do a real quick recap of what we did. We had 4 steaks. We had 3 T-bones. We had 1 Porterhouse, which is mine because I love the cut. That's my favorite cut of steak. So what we did, we smoked it for about 45 minutes on the Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro ring smoker. 45 minutes of smoke. Then what we did was cook mine till about 135. The kids were cooked a little longer. Threw some charcoal in there. Put a nice sear on it. And we're going to get ready to taste it. Let's get a cut of this steak. Ooh. All right, here we go. Cheers. Wow. That's, in my opinion, that is a perfect amount of smoke. Not overpowering, not bitter. This really did what it's supposed to do. So the smoke is subtle, it's there. I do recommend it for doing, you know, cheese, fish. I am going to do some more cheese in the winter when it gets a little colder outside. So it'd be a great supplement to like a pellet smoker that you might have. A little bit of extra smoke. So what I'm going to do is I got some baked potatoes. I'm going to get these kids their steaks. I'm going to serve dinner. And it doesn't matter if you're frying it, baking it, or smoking it and grilling it. Keep doing what you do. Take care, guys.